You can break these videos up where you can watch them all together. Either way, I recommend you master each step before moving on to the next. Today we're going to talk about the next steps once you have the white cross on the bottom, finishing the first layer. To do that, you need to learn how to do an algorithm for the method I'm teaching you. To do this algorithm, you want to do a regrip. You want to have your hands up here, ring finger, middle finger, and pointer finger on each side of the cube, and your thumb down on the edge piece in the middle of the bottom. To do the algorithm, you're going to turn your right hand clockwise 90 degrees, and then the top with your right finger, pull it to you 90 degrees, bring it back counterclockwise 90 degrees, and then use your left finger to bring it back to its original position. We're going to call this the right hand algorithm. Again, that algorithm is turn your right hand 90 degrees, pull the top back, right hand counterclockwise 90 degrees, and left finger to pull the top. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. And super fast. Before moving on to the next step, I'm going to do a quick scramble, and then we'll get our white cross on the bottom. And you remember from the last video we did our daisy, which is yellow on top, and then we want to get our 4 white edge pieces up here. I'll do that real quick. Our edge pieces are lined up. We're going to move on to the next step, which is using our right hand algorithm to get the white pieces in the corner where they're supposed to be. Now we have some white sides down here, white corners, but it looks like they're in the wrong spot because this is green and orange and this is green and red side. So we'll start with this one, which is blue and red, and we want to get that to the blue and red side, which is here. So now that I have it in the right corner, it doesn't matter what orientation it's in, I'm going to use the right hand algorithm to move it from here to here. And now we have one corner piece in the right spot. Our next one, blue and orange, it happened to line up here in the right spot. So right hand algorithm, it's here but it's not in the right spot. That's okay. Do the right hand algorithm again. Still not in the right spot. Let's try it one more time. Now we have this corner. We still have our edge lined up. We have this corner and our edge. Let's move on to the next. If you come across this case where you have a piece and it's in the wrong spot, that's okay. Just do the right hand algorithm, pull it out, put it in the right corner it's supposed to be. Not it. One more time. There it is. Now we have our last one, which is green and red. We'll do our right hand algorithm. Now it's in the right spot. Now we have completed our white side. We have our first layer completed, and we have all of our center pieces lined up in the right spot. Try this a few times. Make sure you can get to this spot with ease. If you have any troubles, go back over the videos and watch them again.